In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, the PiNetwork is making waves with its innovative blend of blockchain and artificial intelligence technology. This new approach could spell a significant shift in how financial transactions are conducted worldwide, potentially leading the charge in a fresh era for the digital economy, revolutionizing blockchain efficiency. At the heart of PiNetwork's strategy is the groundbreaking Stellar Consensus Protocol, enhanced by AI capabilities. This integration aims to dramatically improve the reliability and speed of blockchain processes, thereby setting a new standard for what could be achieved in digital currency transactions. By encouraging broader adoption across various sectors, this could signal the beginning of a comprehensive digital finance revolution. A new contender in digital banking. PiNetwork's low-energy consumption model is drawing attention for its accessibility and appeal, challenging the dominance of traditional cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. However, as it steadily carves a niche, it faces scrutiny over its ability to navigate regulatory landscapes and market dynamics effectively. As the number of digital currencies expands, the question remains whether Pi can maintain its competitive edge. Opportunities and hurdles ahead. PiNetwork's environmental advantages are noteworthy, but its nascent market position and strong competition present significant challenges. The promise of cryptocurrency is often met with caution due to its dual nature of potential profits and inherent risks. For those interested, staying informed through trusted resources is essential for navigating this volatile market wisely. In essence, as the PiNetwork aspires to redefine the financial environment, the world watches to see if it can surmount the hurdles of its ambition and become a pivotal player in the future of digital finance. The green shift, how PiNetwork's eco-friendly approach impacts our future. The PiNetwork has emerged as a promising player in the tech world with its combination of blockchain technology and artificial intelligence, AI. However, one of the most significant impacts of this network is its low-energy consumption model, a stark contrast to traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, known for their high energy demands. This environmentally conscious approach is pivotal as the world grapples with climate change and the pressure to reduce carbon footprints. Environmental impact. Traditional cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, have drawn criticism for their massive energy consumption, primarily due to the energy-intensive mining process. This has led to substantial greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to global warming. In contrast, PiNetwork's low-energy model offers an eco-friendly alternative. By utilizing the Stellar Consensus Protocol enhanced by AI, PiNetwork can perform transactions more efficiently and without the excessive power usage. If widely adopted, such an approach could significantly reduce the environmental impact associated with digital currencies, making it a conducive option for sustainable development. Human implications. The environmental benefits provided by the PiNetwork can foster a healthier planet, which directly affects human well-being. Reduced emissions mean cleaner air and a more stable climate, which can lead to improved public health outcomes. Moreover, as climate change poses a critical risk to global food security, ecosystems, and economies, low-energy digital currencies could align financial progression with sustainable goals, providing a dual benefit of economic and environmental stability. Economic effects. The potential economic implications of PiNetwork are vast. By reducing operational costs associated with energy consumption, businesses and individuals engaging with PiNetwork can achieve more cost-effective transactions. This efficient model could encourage the integration of digital currencies into mainstream financial systems, potentially leading to a new era in global finance that is both cost-efficient and environmentally sustainable. Connections to the future. As humanity progresses, the need for sustainable solutions becomes paramount. The integration of environmentally friendly technology within industries, financial or otherwise, will shape the future of our global society. PiNetwork exemplifies how innovative technology can align with environmental sustainability without compromising on performance or growth. Its model sets a precedent for future advancements, encouraging industries to rethink traditional methods in favor of those that offer a balance between economic development and environmental responsibility. In conclusion, the rise of PiNetwork is not just about making digital transactions more efficient. It's about ushering in a future where technological advancement and ecological stewardship coexist harmoniously. As the network continues to gain traction, its success could pave the way for a revolutionary shift in how we consider and implement technology in the context of our planet's health and humanity's long-term prosperity. Is PiNetwork the future of sustainable cryptocurrency? In the rapidly changing digital landscape, PiNetwork has emerged as a fascinating intersection of blockchain and artificial intelligence technologies. As the financial world looks toward a tech-driven future, PiNetwork might have the potential to lead a fresh era for the digital economy. PiNetwork's AI-enhanced features. The Stellar Consensus Protocol, enhanced with AI capabilities, places PiNetwork at the forefront of innovation. This approach aims to increase the speed and reliability of blockchain transactions, showcasing what is now possible in the realm of digital currency. By marrying blockchain with AI, PiNetwork not only enhances efficiency, but also offers an experience that simplifies transactions, potentially encouraging broader adoption across different industries and sectors. Sustainability with low energy consumption. One of the intriguing aspects of PiNetwork is its low energy consumption model, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers and investors. In contrast to traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which require significant energy for mining operations, PiNetwork offers a sustainable alternative. This could be particularly advantageous as more stakeholders prioritize sustainability and seek technologies aligned with eco-friendly practices. Regulatory challenges and market dynamics. Despite its promise, PiNetwork faces formidable challenges. Navigating the complex world of regulatory compliance and adapting to evolving market dynamics are necessary for sustained growth. As the cryptocurrency landscape fills with various digital currencies, PiNetwork must continually innovate to maintain a competitive edge. Its ability to adapt to shifting regulations and market expectations will be pivotal in determining its success. Predictions for the PiNetwork. As we peer into the future of cryptocurrency, PiNetwork is uniquely positioned to redefine financial interactions. If it effectively overcomes existing and emerging challenges, it could become a pivotal player in the digital finance sector. However, potential adopters and stakeholders must remain informed and cautious, recognizing the dual nature of high returns and the inherent risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. For those keen to explore the burgeoning world of digital finance, it is essential to follow developments in cryptocurrency. Keeping abreast with these shifts can provide strategic insights into potential investment opportunities and emerging technologies.